2012 RMZ 450 has been sitting like this for quite some time. Let's do something about it. Hey guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today finally we are going to start assembling my RMZ 450. I've been waiting for this moment quite a long time. You guys know it's been a couple months that I didn't really touch this bike, and now finally I'm stoked that we're gonna do that. So here on the table you can see I got my triple clamps that is all looking pretty much brand new. We got it all clean, hydroblasted, and we need to pack the bearings bottom and top, then install it here on the frame. After that, we're gonna get our swing arm ready. This is TM Design Work kit, slider and chain guide. We're gonna do that, and once we have that, we'll do our engine, install the engine, and also install the swing arm. Then maybe we can even do the linkage. Let's see how far we can get today. It's gonna be a tedious work. It's a lot of work, you know, packing those bearings little by little, but hey, I'm super stoked that we are starting, and this bike will start to take shape finally. One more thing I want to say is that this video is sponsored by Factory Links, and if you want to win this kit from them, either for your wheels or linkage or the swing arm, whatever you need, these guys have it. So just stay till the end of the video. I'm gonna let you know what you need to do. And another one important thing is that, hey, I got a torque wrench and I'm not afraid to use it. So this is what I'm gonna do for next 20 minutes. Just play little by little, and you can see I'm pushing it through this lip, and it should be oozing out from here and also from in between these little rollers. So that's all it takes. Just play with it, and yeah, it takes maybe like 20 minutes, little by little. Alright guys, so this mess looks like packed bearing. I'm gonna get rid of all the extra grease that is all over this bearing. This bearing right here is a little bit more tricky to pack this bearing because you need to just pack it, use the same lip and use your finger little by little and push it in like that. I don't want to remove it, it's already pressed in there. I'll just pack it on the stem little by little. Detail on the bearing, when I move it you can see that the grease is oozing out everywhere. That should be good. We are going to reuse old bearings because they were in really good condition, so we are using old races. I didn't have to reinstall them, so we got old races, old bearings and the grease. That feels pretty good. We are going to, tie it up the way we like it once everything is together. All right. Feels pretty good. I'm going to install the bolt for a swing arm first, even though I don't have a swing arm yet. But once I install this bolt, it will be a little bit easier to align my engine and install smaller bolts that goes to the front of the engine. Once I have those bolts in, I'm gonna take this big swing arm bolt out and then install the swing arm. we are done for today. I think it's enough for today. It's exactly 3:03 a.m. and I've been in the garage since like 9:30. So yeah, I did quite a bit of work and it took some time, you know, but it's all good because this RMZ 450 is finally coming together. I like how it started looking like the yellow and red, you know, all the colors and nice clean aluminum. It looks really cool. So yeah, I cannot wait to start putting, you know, wheels together and other things, and it will just be so cool. I promise to you that at the end of the video I'll let you know how you can win the bearing kit from Factory Links. So all you need to do is to like this video, comment on this video, and then go ahead and send email to dirtnirongiveaway@factory-links.com and let them know where you're from, your name and your bike, and also let them know what kind of bearing you would like to get. So your name, country, bike, and what bearing you need for your bike. And one of you lucky guys will get the Factory Links bearing shipped directly to you. Alright my friends, that's about it for today. I'm a little bit tired. It's I have to wake up in like 3 hours, so yeah, a little bit tired, but hey, it's all good because we are finally putting this bike together, and I'm really stoked. Alright guys, don't forget that whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.